Hello and welcome again to Cruising with the Case Handler, a show on personal injury law and more. I am David Annakie, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Companies, and I've been doing this show for just about 17 years, in one way or another with my friend. His name is Adam Handler. We call him the Case Handler. You can follow him on Instagram, Facebook, and also LinkedIn and YouTube at the Case Handler. And once again, don't forget to follow me, David Squeezaniki, the broadcaster, on, of course, the same. And that is David Squeezaniki, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also YouTube. This is where we speak about people who get into accidents, and need help where an attorney is concerned. So right now, make sure we get into this, all right? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you tune in each and every single day, right about now, or between the hours of 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Monday through Fridays. And we do come your way on Saturdays also and Sundays. Coming up shortly, we do have Adam Handler, and he's going to be speaking with us about cases that he has resolved, settled, where people got into accidents. Now, ladies and gentlemen, many people, especially of our culture, need to understand that when you do get into an accident rather, you do have a recourse. People would say, I don't want to sue my uncle. I don't want to sue my friend. I don't want to sue anybody because God would not like me to do that. My supreme being would not like me to do that. Nothing could be further from the truth. It is the reason why insurance was created to protect you, to take care of you, and to make you a better person. It can't make you whole, but it definitely can help you. So I say to you, there's one man that I truly believe in when it comes to personal injury law, and that man happens to be Adam Handler. It's one of the reasons why I ask you to follow him on all the major platforms. And if you ever get hurt in an accident, to have the number 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Make sure you reach out to Adam Handler, ladies and gentlemen. He's always there, ready, willing, and able to actually help you. So just make sure you reach out to him. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give him a call, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. We love what it is that he has done over the past 17 years in the Caribbean community. And listen, he's not just an attorney for the Caribbean community, but he has done you know, so many things for them already, and even people who are out of status, have been able to get help from Adam Heffner. So regardless of your race, creed, color, religion, ethnicity, your sexual orientation, wherever you're from, green card, no green card, it doesn't matter. Adam Handler will always be your man. So make sure you reach out to him. Once again, his number 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Let's go to Adam's office now, where he's got quite a few pictures up. Adam, how you doing, brother?
Hey, man. Good morning to you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for tuning in. You are officially cruising with the case handler. My name is Adam Handler. I am a personal injury attorney. I've been practicing here in New York and New Jersey for 17 years. I've been on this radio station for almost all that time, 16 years actually. The longest running attorney on this radio station, the most celebrated personal injury attorney on this radio station. I just thank you all so much for your support, your love, your dedication, and your faith in my practice and what I can do for you if, God forbid, you're in an accident. The whole point of this show is just to let you know we're here kind of hanging out in the background when, God forbid, disaster strikes. I got a call yesterday, a call that I never like to get from a lady that listens to this show. She's been listening to me and you and other DJs that I've been on with for about 7 years, and her son is walking down the street and he's hit by a motorcycle, fractured leg, fractured face. This poor kid, really got lit up. We sent our investigator out to the house yesterday to sign up the case. We'll be working on that ASAP, making sure that we compensate that child fairly for his injuries and make sure his medical bills are taken care of. But the point of what I'm saying is, she
Was that the
never.
lady who blew up my phone, Adam?
It is not. It is not.
Okay, all right.
She, this woman, never expected she'd need my help, but she's been
Right.
hearing me for years, And when she needed me, she snapped into action. So, I don't expect everybody to be calling me saying, "Hey, Mr. Handler, I need your help today." But just as long as you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it, then the point of this show and the point of all my other marketing efforts have been met. All attorneys are not created the same. If you want a serious attorney to work on a serious case and get you a serious result, there should be no other choice than Adam Handler, your case handler. There are no redos in personal injury, Squeeze, and that's why
And
we
why
always
is
say,
that?
well,
Why is
I
that?
want to know if you actually get it
No,
right
I
today?
want you. Yeah, I want you to get it right today.
Well, there are no redos in personal injury. Once you sign on the dotted line, or once the jury or judge makes that decision, your case is over. So you have one chance to get it right, Squeeze. And that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler. And that is yours truly, Adam Handler, third generation attorney, often imitated, never duplicated. My family's been doing this in New York City for nearly 100 years, since 1932, Squeeze. And that's something we take very, very seriously.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as I introduced earlier while we were waiting for Adam, he is truly the best attorney there is when it comes to personal injury. Lawyers can't say they are the best, but testimonials can, broadcasters can. And that's the reason why you will hear every broadcaster and everyone else out there saying that their attorney is the best. But I can honestly tell you this, and I should never swear, but I am. I can honestly tell you this, ladies and gentlemen. Every single person that listens to this station, every single broadcaster, whether or not they want to say it or not, know that Adam Handler has been the most consistent and the most powerful personal injury attorney ever. They have seen him demonstrated that. The proof is in the settlements. The proof is in the verdicts. The proof is the fact that he's a third generation personal injury attorney. The proof that he'll go the distance. The proof is that he's better than any other attorney in court, in front of the judge, in front of the jury. He's going for the juggler. And that is the reason why I don't want you to make the mistakes that many are making, some will make, some have made in choosing the wrong attorney. And if you're not choosing the case handler, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not choosing Matt Goodstein, if you're not choosing the case handler team, you have chosen the wrong attorney. And that's the reason why we repetitively say you've got one choice, one chance, one choice, and there's one case handler. So every one of you can't say I didn't tell you. Note this number, dial the number, let it ring for a while. This way it registers on Adam Handler's phone. The number is 844 774 3529. I want him to go to a true success story. I want him to go to in audio. I want him to go to his website today. And once again, as he gets that together, let me give you the number that you're going to pass on to your friends, your family, even your foes. The number is 844 774 3529. That's 844 774 3529. Many attorneys, and Adam, don't say a word about this. Many attorneys out there have pretty much turned the audience and the communities into salespeople for them. All right, that's what they have done. They've got the ambulance chasers. They've got people that's giving out flyers and business cards with people giving it out with their names on it and all of that. It's
The
become
business
a
cards
big.
like say like legal consultant. Like I got a call yesterday from a guy.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
2 days ago, I get a call from a guy, says he's in a car accident. He is not hurt. He is not hurt. I go, well, I'm very happy for you, but how can I help you? He goes, I wasn't. Again, I don't know what he was thinking. He clearly wasn't thinking. He admitted. Within minutes of the accident, some dude rolls up to him with a business card saying he's a legal consultant. Okay. Within a few hours, he's signing papers with the lawyer, being sent to a doctor, and this guy's not hurt. This guy is not hurt, and he's like, "Can you help me undo this? I don't want to file an insurance claim. I'm not injured." And there's really nothing I can do for him other than suggest that he sends a letter to the lawyer saying, we don't want your help. But this is what it is. This man, as soon as you're in an accident, unfortunately, you become a piece of meat. The
Yep.
lawyers, the shady lawyers and the shady doctors are going to find you, right? The doctors are going to make thousands and thousands of dollars billing the insurance company for some BS medical treatment that you may not even need.
Which
The
is
lawyer's going to settle your case
fraudulent.
for 5 or 6,000, make a few $1,000s, and then move on to the next one. Meanwhile, you've spent all this time, energy, and stress dealing with the case that got the doctor rich and got the lawyer rich, and all of a sudden, you have now something on your permanent insurance record. We don't talk about this nearly enough, but Squeeze, the
No,
first
we don't.
thing the insurance company is going to do when you get into an accident, the first thing is
It's
search
an
your name,
investigation.
search your date of
Yep,
birth,
an
search your
investigation.
social security number, and they're going to see if you've ever been in a prior accident before. If you've ever been in a prior accident before, of course, they're going to blame everything on that prior accident. It's like you walking into a store and there's broken glass on the floor, and the manager says, "Hey, bud, you got to pay for this broken glass. You broke this item." You're going to say, "What are you talking about? It was broken before I got here." Well, that's what the insurance companies say. You were broken before you got here. So to file an insurance claim for a BS injury claim is only going to hurt your ability to collect if, God forbid, you're ever in a real accident with real injuries. People think filing these insurance claims are a game, and that you make a few bucks and you move on to the next time. Well, that's not how it works. The insurance companies are not stupid. Okay, there comes a time where they either think that you're just a scam artist and will refuse to
Yep,
pay, okay, or the insurance companies will drop you and say, "Listen, you're too much of a risk. You're making all these insurance claims and you get dropped, and now you've got no insurance. You can't drive your car, you can't get to work, and your whole life falls apart." So, ladies and gentlemen, don't be fooled by people that are using you as a product, okay? Those are the individuals that are coming up to you at the scene of the accident and saying, "You should go with this lawyer, you should go with this doctor." Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in an accident, I have bad news for you. I will not know about it. I will not know that you need my help unless you call me. So if, God forbid, you're in a serious accident, you need to reach out to my team. You need to reach out to Adam Handler. You need to reach out to the case handler. Otherwise, I will never know you need my help.
true that. That is definitely true. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why we're here. We're here to let you understand that. We're here to let you know that. All right. As my phone blows up, Miss King calling me as usual. All right. But we want everyone to know the top attorney happens to be Adam Handler. Make that link. Adam, can I get a true success story as I give out the number three times?
Absolutely.
Eight four
Absolutely.
four 774 3529. That's 844-774-3529. Easily remembered, 844 PPIDLAW. You're driving in your car. You're driving in your car. I need for you to actually note that number, 844 PPIDLAW, in your mind. And those of you who are not driving, dial the number, let it ring right now. You will need a personal injury lawyer in the future, a friend, a family, a foe. Somebody will get into an accident and you will need to pass that number on to them. Once again, 844-774-3529. I see one here that says, this is Jane from the Bronx, and it's on the casehandler.com. It says, they are the best. I worked with Adam Handler and Matthew Goodstein, and they did an excellent job. Thank you so much. And this is Jane from the Bronx, who was in a tractor trailer accident. She reached out to 844-774-3529 and got a settlement of $600,000. People, go see for yourself. Google the case handler. Visit thecasehandler.com. Check him out on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube. The Case Handler, ladies and gentlemen. $600,000 for Jane from the Bronx, a tractor trailer accident. This is what we're talking about. The proof is in the pudding. This is serious. Adam, top it off for me.
Hey, listen, endorsements are easy to come by. You'll hear some attorneys probably in a few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, the best possible endorsement will come from those individuals who never expected they get into an accident and then somehow needed my help. This is somebody, we just settled her case the other day. Listen to these words.
Well, hello. I am a client of Mr. Adam Handler, and he is wonderful. He is a great lawyer. He's always available to talk no matter what. His team is also really ready to take messages and to pass along, which he returns like within seconds or a few minutes or so, I would recommend anyone to him. He is great. He fought for me. And when I taught that I didn't really have such a great case, it turns out I really did, because he fought for me and got me a really good payback on what I never taught I would. So I would recommend him to anyone for whatever the case is. Thank you. Have a great day or night or evening or whenever. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
There you
Have
have
a
it.
good day.
844-774-3529. Thank you so much, Adam Handler. You are
Of
the man.
course,
Ladies
man.
and gentlemen,
Listen, we're here
have
to
an
help. We
amazing
won't
day.
let you down.
There you go.